Welcome. The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents How You Use Green Screen with CreateStudio. You are about to see how you can go from this to this in a few easy steps. This short video is a Mr. P's Kicky Quicky video. Open your CreateStudio editor and import your green screen image or video. Drag your green screen image or video onto your screen. Click on it. Then click on Advanced to the top right. Click on Remove Color. Next to Enable, turn it on. Click on the color picker and then click on the green color that you want to remove. Adjust threshold and edge facing to remove the rest of the green. Most of the green will be gone immediately. Tweaking threshold and edge facing will finish the job. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn that like button black. Thank you. You are watching the Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce. If you would like to make money from home as an affiliate marketer, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so Mr. P can let you know every time a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not hit the like button, please do not forget. Thank you again. And do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss any videos. YouTube has personally picked this next video for you. Enjoy.